2,000 years later.
Hello everyone, root 2 is a irrational number. Here's the class 10 theorems 1.3. How to prove that the root 2 is a irrational number. Let's start. Root 2 is a rational. So otherwise root 2 is equal to a upon b and b is not a 0. A and b are no more than factor. So here's the A and B are coprime. Okay, now that's a coprime. So both sides squaring do is and root 2 whole square is equal to a square upon b square. So cut the root and square. 2 is equal to a square upon b square. Show 2 b square is equal to a square. Therefore b square is equal to a square upon 2. 2 divides a square, 2 divides a also. Okay, a is equal to 2ac, यानी कि by the theorem 1.2 डिवाइज ए स्क्वायर 2 को किया जाता है. a इज इक्वल टू 2c यानी b स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 2c स्क्वायर अपॉन 2 यानी बोथ साइड 2 को डिवाइज किया गया है. b स्क्वायर अपॉन 2 एंड 2c अपॉन 2 होल स्क्वायर. सो b स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 4c स्क्वायर अपॉन 2 यानी कि 2 कट हो जाता है यानी 2 डिवाइज b स्क्वायर यानी कि 2 डिवाइज b. सो दिस इज द theorem 1.2. show b square upon 2 is equal to c square. तो 1 and seconds form are from 1 and seconds result are common factor of a and b, which are the quadratic. So what the assumption is wrong. So that's proof is root 2 is a irrational number. Okay, now so bye, good day.